Is Amazon safe to start your online business? Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Amazon is the world's largest e-commerce platform with over 300 million active customers. Many people have built successful businesses by selling products on Amazon. But before jumping in, it's natural to wonder, is it safe? Yes, Amazon is generally considered a safe and reliable platform to start an online business. But like any business venture, success depends on how well you understand the platform and manage risk. Here is a breakdown of why Amazon is safe and what you should watch out for. So the first question is why Amazon is safe? Trusted marketplace, fulfillment by Amazon, secure payments, customer base. In this guide, we will explore all the major aspects of Amazon selling, including opportunities, challenges, risks, and how to protect yourself. You will leave with a clear understanding of whether Amazon is right for you. Okay, let's talk about ways to sell on Amazon. Amazon offers several business models. Let's explore each. First one is private label. You create your own brand and label, often using manufacturers from Alibaba. Example, you design a yoga mat with your logo and sell it on Amazon. Full control over branding and pricing, but requires more upfront investment, $1,000 plus typically. Second is wholesale. Buy bulk products from authorized brand, distributors and resell. Example, you buy Colgate toothpaste wholesale and sell it on Amazon. Trusted brands sell faster, but you need permission from brands, profit margins can be low. Third is retail arbitrage. Buy products on clearance from local stores and resell. Example, buy toys from Walmart on sale and sell them at a higher price on Amazon. Quick start, low investment, but not scalable. Lots of manual work. Fourth is online arbitrage. Similar to retail arbitrage, but you buy online Amazon. Example, buy discounted electronics online and list on Amazon. Can be done from home, but risk of order cancellations, limited stocks. Fifth is dropshipping. You list a product on Amazon and a third party ships it. Amazon policy, you must be the seller of record and not mention the third party to customers. No inventory, but high risk of account suspension if done wrong. Sixth is Amazon Handmade, a marketplace for artisans to sell handcrafted goods. Example, handmade jewelry, home decor. Less competition, loyal customers, but requires manual crafting, slower to scale. Seventh is Merch by Amazon. Amazon prints and ships your designs on t-shirts. No upfront cost, passive income, but limited to graphic designs, competitive. Now, let's talk about the risk. Amazon is a secure platform, but not risk-free. Here are some common issues. The first one is account suspension. Amazon has strict policies. A mistake can get your account suspended. Reasons: late shipping, bad customer service, policy violations. Preventions: follow rules strictly, use FBA for reliable shipping. Second is high competition. Many sellers offer similar products. Use product research tools, for example, Jungle Scout, Helium 10, and focus on niche markets. Third is Amazon itself. Amazon might compete with you or suppress your listings. Build a strong brand that stands out. Fourth is supplier scams. Common on platforms like Alibaba, use verified gold suppliers, Order samples first. Use trade assurance. And the last one is return abuse and fraud. Some customers return used, damaged products. Use high quality packaging and clear instruction to minimize returns. So, the question is why Amazon is still a great opportunity. Despite risk, Amazon offers major benefits. First is massive customer base. Millions of shoppers visit Amazon daily. No need to spend thousands on marketing. Second is built-in trust. Customers trust Amazon. Your products gain instant credibility. Third is no website needed. Amazon handles payments, traffic, and trust building. And the last one is scalable business model. Start small and grow. Many sellers go from $100 per day to $10,000 per month or more. Now, let's talk about tools you need to start safely. The right tools help you avoid mistakes. First is Jungle Scout, help with product research, keyword tracking, competition analysis. Second is Keepa, tracks historical prices, sales trends. Third is GS1 barcodes, needed to list private label products, prevents listing errors. Fourth is Amazon Seller app, manage inventory, pricing, and sales on the go. And the last one is Fiverr, find affordable freelancers for products, photos, logos, copywritings. Now, I will guide you step by step how to start safely on Amazon. Here is a proven path to start your Amazon business. Step 1. Create a seller account. Go to sellercentral.amazon.com. Choose between individual and professional account. Professional account fee is $39.99 per month and individual account has no monthly fee. Step 2. Choose a business model. Pick from private label, arbitrage, wholesale. Step 3. Do product research. Use Jungle Scout, Helium 10. Look for high demand, low competition, good profit margin. Step 4. Find a reliable supplier. Use Alibaba, local vendors or wholesalers. Order samples to test quality. Step 5. List your product. Take high quality images. Write a compelling title and bullet points. Step 6. Launch your product. Offer discounts. Run Amazon PPC ads. Ask friends to buy and leave reviews, honest ones. Step 7. Monitor and optimize, track performance using the Seller app and analytics. Adjust pricing, keywords and ads. Step 8. Reinvest profits. Order more inventory, launch additional products. Now, let's talk about FAQs, frequently asked question. So, the first one is, do I need a business license? Not always, but it helps for tax and legal reasons. 2. Can I start with $500? Yes, using retail or online arbitrage. Private label usually requires $1,000. 3. How long before I make a profit? Depends on model. Some sees profits in 1 to 3 months, other longer. 4. What happens if my account is suspended? You can appeal, stay calm, and follow Amazon's instructions. Learn before you earn. Join Amazon seller communities, take it slow, and treat it like a real business. So, if you follow these steps, Amazon can be the safest place for you to grow your business without worries. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. I will see you in the next video with a new topic.